Dude, I don't pull it off. I look like I'm gonna get butt fucked by Jake Gyllenhaal in the mountains. Oh shit. Okay. Now this is how you get AIDS at the rodeo. I put this bad boy on. I'm not lasting 6 seconds. Ain't no fucking way. Alright, well, I'm gonna get it back. It's her fucking hat! You wanna trade? Really? Oh, it's gonna be bad lighting though. That's fine. Oh, I'm not feeling like fucking Woody from Toy Story. Sir. With the matching hat. You got a cowboy job or you just like the hat? You're in a